Fast Lane Motorsports back at it. Got the wires all out on the floor. Got some plugs up in there. NGK main, V-Power main. You dig? A pro tip, these do not require lubricant. You can install them dry, you know. Hey, shouts out to them guys right there though. VHT, Nick. Go ahead and get them things up in there, man. I'm gonna put the ratchet on them. Now I'm blowing every light. Hell yeah, what bro say? Bitches pulled up. I'm like, what up though? Threw the deuces up and kept it going though. Tighten. And no, you do not wanna over torque these. Cause you will fuck your threads up. You wanna give them probably about like a nice 20 pound, 20 foot pound, you know. They in there tight. Long as they in there, you know. Nice and tight. Alright, y'all time.